The flip of a few pages in a book at a young age was just enough to get this University of Iowa faculty member hooked on science.
Physics really attracted me because it's sort of, the study of the very small and the very big, and that really appealed to me.
And all of that led him here to study charged particles in space and how the sun interacts with all of the planets. His research begins by building different instruments to measure the particles by creating electric fields to detect them and move them in different directions. With the flip of a few switches from this tail pulse generator and the other devices in the lab, this is where Professor Halekas makes all the magic happen. And one of the most used devices is this vacuum chamber.
It makes it more like space where we're planning to operate our instruments, but the other reason is that it allows us to operate our high voltages safely.
Professor Halekas says it's all about replication when trying to learn about space. He's currently working with NASA on his MAVEN mission. MAVEN is an instrument Halekas built and launched into space to collect data on Mars and how the planet ended up the way it is today.
MAVEN itself is primarily measuring charged particles and photons.
Within the first orbit of MAVEN, they found shocking new data on the atmospheric winds of the planet. And these are just the kinds of breakthroughs that drive the passion of this scientist.
So it's really that process of discovery that gets me up in the morning and keeps me working very hard at this job, because it's at the end of the day, it's really incredible to get to find out something that no one has ever figured out before.
Maria Palladino at the University of Iowa.